Hello, JDS Flying Canuck here. JDS Flying Canuck. Look at the weather. This is wild. This is March 7th. And look at the trees over there. Isn't that look amazing? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Wow. The snow tells you spring's coming, believe it or not. It sticks to everything. It melts really quick. Look at that. Is that not a winter wonderland there? Let's see over this way a bit, those trees. And we'll zoom out now. Isn't that cool? Wow. Wow. Look at the parking lot. Just out there, there was nothing there about 5 minutes ago. Look at this. You can't even see far away. This is very nice. Look at that, eh? Right there. That is so cool. We'll zoom in slowly so you guys get the gist. Wow. That is crazy. Go like this. Look where that light is down there, eh? I'll try to zoom in on the light. You can see how much snow is coming down there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Anyways, that's JDS Flying Canuck over and out. Now there's snowstorm in Nepean, Ontario, Canada. It'll be spring soon. This stuff will leave us. It'll be gone. It'll be gone. Have a great evening. Drive safe and fly safe. Take it easy. Over and out.